Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very day. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity around lies my happiness. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.